Hey Bill, come here, I found What is it, Phil? Look, look, look. Whoa, what the bleep is that? Oh, I think I know what it is. See that thing right there? It's a circuit board, and it's like something from the future. You lick that, and you get all your food. Like, it tastes good and stuff. Are you sure about that, Phil? Yeah. I don't know. You could try it first. No, you could try to lick it first. No, you try to lick it first. No, you. No. Fine, I'll do it. Are you sure about this, Phil? Okay. Here we go. Ah! Must taste that good? Wow. Oh man, this tastes like crap. Oh my! Ah! That was awesome! I can assure you that was not awesome. The Misadventures of Origami!